Hi guys, it's Grant here. We're down in the Lotus stand. I'm here with Dave and we're going to look at the Trooper. Before we do though, the Trooper's been around for a while. How many years have you been building this?
We've been building the Trooper for 8 years, Grant, and we're really impressed with it.
Yeah. Now the Trooper has its DNA heritage to be an off-road van. You've just done something recently new to this to make it even better than what it already is. Something from Dometic, I understand?
So from Dometic, we've gone with the new DRS system, but what we did prior to making it standard on the Trooper range, we did a heap of research and development. Went up through Wilcannia, Ivanhoe,
awesome.
up above Hay.
Yep.
We spent a week travelling around in the dust. We tried a couple of variants, and the DRS is the best that we could possibly get on the Trooper van for dust resistance.
So how does it work?
So basically it brings in, when you see it up on the top there, it brings in the fresh air and recirculates it around in a circular motion, creating a pressure in the van and enforcing the air back out through the gas vents and the human vents.
So it escapes through. So you're getting better air quality inside the van overall.
Absolutely, and it's got an actual proper filter on it, like an air conditioning filter.
So it's the unit's up top, it's no power, so it's just like the fact that you're driving along.
Yep.
Can we have a look inside?
Come inside.
Yep.
Really, really good opportunity to have a look.
So when am I going to see this vent?
So here it is here.
Oh, wow.
It blends in with the roof.
Doesn't it?
Visually looks quite okay. And then for servicing and maintenance, it's got a clip down.
Yep.
And then we've got an air cleaner in here and a little catch basket which will grab any dust or debris that you may have come through it. So there's your catch basket, your air cleaner, and it really, really does improve the efficiency of dust resistance in the van. A lot of our customers buy the Troopers because they're so good at off-road and long-term free camping, and dust is always a concern in everyone's mind. You get a beautiful van like this and you get dust in it, they don't like it.
Yeah, correct. So there you go, guys. Something new that the guys here at Lotus have fitted in conjunction with Dometic, the new DRS. Thanks, Dave.
Thanks very much, Greg.